Welcome back to Google Guru. I'm happy to announce a new feature to our site that will start becoming a regular occurrence. We're going to begin presenting video series that involve things you may not know about various Google apps and Gmail features. So for this first series, I'm going to be talking to you about Google Chat. And for this first video, I'm just going to walk you through the basics of chat, and then we'll get into some tips and tricks a little bit later. Over here you have your chat bar, which is displayed pretty prominently on the left hand side, and you can move it to fit your preference. I like to keep it down here a little bit so it's not really crowding my toolbar. You can also set your status any way you like it. I'm set as invisible right now, but as you can see, there's a bunch of other statuses that you can set. I'm going to change mine to available for the moment. So after making myself available, I'm going to begin a chat, which you can do just by clicking on someone. And this opens up my chat history with Captain Calendar that I've had going on recently. So I'm just going to check in on him and see what he's up to. So you can just type your message right in there, click send, get a response right back. There's a lot of other things you can do within the actual chat window. There's some options to add emoticons, which are sometimes fun. As you can see, Captain Calendar is online. I've begun a chat with him. The green icon next to his name that he's available, but if he goes offline, his icon changes to this little gray circle. If he is offline, I can still interact with him, but when I click on his name, it's going to open up an option to send him an email. This is actually a pretty easy way to send an email message, so that's just something to keep in mind. One last thing that I want to talk about for this introduction is the settings for chat, which can be found through the gear over here on the right hand side, and then just clicking on the chat bar. There's a bunch of features that you can set in here that I'm not going to really get into. You can kind of explore them yourselves, but it's just a great way to customize your chat features. So that about does it for our chat introduction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the rest of our series about 5 things you may not know about Google Chat. Thanks.